Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphics settings on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can start enjoying your career mode or any other game modes. Now, if you wish to change the graphics settings for your game, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will now take you into the settings page. From here, click on Game Settings and then click on Graphics Settings. This will now show you various different parameters that you can change for your game. Now, you can use the basic settings option and make sure that the high option is selected if you have a powerful enough device. You may also choose your frame rate and set it at the highest possible value. Underneath, you can choose your display resolution as well as the resolution scale. You may choose to push this further, more than 100%, if your display adapter or your graphics card has more VRAM. You also have the option to turn on VSync as well as the full screen mode. And finally, you can choose the quality for various different parameters within the game. If you set all of these to high, then more graphic memory will be used. And if you set them to low, the game will not look as good, but it will run very smoothly. So choose your values for all of these settings based on your system configuration. And after setting up your value, you can go back and you will be told to restart the game in order to apply the changes. Tap on the OK button and now tap on the escape button in order to exit from the game. After exiting, you can start the game once again. And now your chosen graphic settings will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings within the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.